I'm filming the cat. The reason I'm filming the cat is because YouTube auto-selects thumbnails. And so far, all they keep auto-selecting is all the clutter and jumble on my shelf in the workshop. So, let's just throw in some bright colours, because they react to bright colours as well. So YouTube, try using that as a thumbnail and not my messy workshop. Right, let's begin this video. If you've been following the saga so far, well done. Props to you. But anyone who's new to this, I have been having no end of trouble with this Chinese 312 welder. Now, it has served me well over the years, but it has given me a couple of little problems. One of them, a never-ending gas flow problem. Normally it won't shut off, I have to bang the machine. Today's problem was the HF start wasn't working, but we've managed to solve that by resetting the HF starting points in there, or at least I think we have. I'm not sure yet, because we've still got a gas problem. There's no gas coming out. So I've just pulled the thing apart looking for problems. And I was just about to reverse flow some air through the machine, just in case the valve was sticking. And the wah 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 moment just smacked me right between the eyes. So, anyone familiar with Thailand will know TIT, the phrase TIT. This is Thailand. It's used to describe anything. It's like, well, that don't happen anywhere else. Well, I've just had a proper tit moment. When you come down here, now, the last couple of weeks, I've been using the welder out the back to make Minitron's nosh hut. Check out the video for Minitron's nosh hut. But while I've been using the welder, to make it more portable, I took the TIG torch off, because I was only stick welding. So just to make it light and portable, the TIG torch was off. Well, trying to find out why there's no gas flowing, I was just about to reverse purge the valve and try and blow it open, and I looked. Here, I better turn the camera around. Just there. You're probably wondering what the hell that is in there. Well, as soon as I saw it, I knew what that was in there. It's a bastard wasp. A wasp has seized upon the opportunity of me leaving the pipe off, and it's built a nest. It's built a nest up inside the gas valve. So let's just have a look and see. We've got full gas pressure. We've got the torch on. Ignition is on. Where's my torch? Ow! That actually hurt. That hit me in the hand. It hit me in the hand and came down here. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Quick, we don't want a 4-hour video on this. Where'd it go? Ah, lost it. But take my word for it, the blockage is now gone, and it hit me in the hand at about 400 miles an hour. So yeah, there we go. I think I can get on and get me seal welded. Cheerio now.